Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can match cut audio in CapCut PC. So I already add a video and also an audio to my CapCut PC. And to match cut the audio, it's actually pretty easy. You can just click on the audio and then you'll find the match cut options in here. This one, these two, you can do if you want to auto bit, you can just click on this auto bit and here to match cut automatically. So I'm going to try both. So let's say I'm going to match cut the audio manually. I'm going to move forward, then click on this again, move forward again, click on this again like this. And to delete, you can just click on the clear bits. But to make it easier, you can just always use the auto bit. So you can just click on the auto bit, and here you need to choose between the bit 1 and bit 2. Going to choose bit 2, and there will be a yellow dot like the one I used before, this match cut uh manually. And then after that, you can just adjust your video. For example, I'm going to adjust it in here, split into bits like this. Then after that, you can just adjust the speed of your video if you want to make velocity, for example. Okay, so that's all from me. That is how you can match cut audio in CapCut PC. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.